You've learned the theory of file handling, how to read, write, and append. Now, let's put it into practice. File I/O is what gives your programs a memory, allowing them to save data and pick up where they left off. Today, we'll build two practical mini projects to show you how it's done: a time-stamped journal and a command line to-do list. First, let's build a simple journal. Every time we run it, it should ask for an entry, add a timestamp, and save it. We start by importing the datetime module. We get the user's input, and then we get the current time. The most important line is this one: we open journal.txt in append mode A. This is the key to making a journal. Append mode adds to the end of the file instead of erasing it. We write our formatted string, and that's it, a persistent time-stamped log. Next, a to-do list manager. This program will let us view our tasks or add a new one. We'll use functions to keep our code organized. The view tasks function opens our file in read mode, R, and prints out each line. The add task function is simple. It just takes input and opens the file in append mode A to add the new task. We wrap it all in a while loop that runs the program until the user types exit. We're now reading from and writing to the same file to create an interactive app. In just a few minutes, we've built two useful programs that can save and retrieve information. This is the foundation for building much larger applications. Now, it's your turn to experiment. Try adding a function to the to-do list to remove a task. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.